All right, all right. We're back with the Amazon unboxing. We have this new cheese grater that my lovely cousin sent me. She's the best. Thank cousin Nina. So we're gonna do an unboxing on this grater. Here's one of the wheels. It came with three different sizes and maybe two. I think it was two. But oh no, we better see. Came with the handle, came with the barrel, it came with the stands and the barrel holder for the stands, and the pusher downer thingamajig. Yeah, it was three. Boom. One is like a slice, and then one is really small, and then one is like the medium size shred. Yeah, that's the cheese pusher downer thing. So when we unboxing everything, I'll do a small demonstration of how this get up works. It's pretty cute and convenient. It fits right in the drawer. Came with a warranty. And we'll let you know about how that went with the warranty. But I have been using this thingamabob for this cheese grater for a while now, about a month or so. And it is great. Like, the cheese shredded yourself is so much better. It's like a different cheesy consistency. Me and my sister-in-law was having this debate not too long ago. But it's really better. Like, it's a lot better shredding it yourself. So we get this thing put together. We're figuring out how to put it together. And voila. Figure out how that goes in. Off camera, look. Fire the cameraman. Boom. And it's back. So, yeah. Figure out how to get this thing on. Come on. Grab a plate. Yes, grab that good plate and let's dismantle this thing and wash it. Like, what was I thinking? Putting it together and it wasn't even washed? We not doing it. So I'm gonna grab this bowl and this good Dawn and rinse this bad boy out a little bit here. Some warm water. Spray it down. And this thing is dishwasher safe also, which is right up my alley. Let's rinse this bad boy out with some soapy water. And then get her done. No one ever refills the paper towel. It's all good. Dry this bad boy off, and then we're gonna get down to the cheesing, the shredding of with the shredder. Nah, but seriously, we're gonna put this bad boy back together and break out some good cheese and shred her up. So while I'm putting this back together, let me put y'all on some G. I don't know how, but somehow the handle and spring came loose on this thing. So I emailed the company because they didn't want you to send it back to Amazon, and I think I exceeded the time or whatever for Amazon as I grabbed this cheese. The handle and the spring came off, so like I said, I emailed them and we did a little back and forth. It was a give. I didn't have the order number, yada yada yada. So now I'm currently waiting on a new handle. So the customer service process was pretty good, but I don't understand how it broke. I mean, it's not cheap, but it's like nice. It appeared really sturdy once I get it locked to the counter like so, and it works pretty good. Other than, I don't know if I wasn't moving fast enough because I get a clog. See how it's clogged up in there right now? I don't know if I wasn't wheeling it fast enough or what, but it got clogged up in there. And Kobe is kind of soft, a softer cheese, so it probably It's just the cheese. And mind you, it doesn't have the binding agents that we buy in the shredded bags of cheese. The non-binding agent, that stuff that keeps it loose in the bag so it doesn't clump together. So that's one of the dilemmas doing the soft cheese. Just move a little faster and it doesn't clump up so bad. But yeah, this was great Amazon find. Thanks again, cuz. But yeah, this is the way to go. Buy your cheese block so you ain't got all that mystery stuff on your cheese or whatever. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share. Go and hop over to Amazon if you like. I mean, and copy one. This is like great. Yes. So yeah, check me out. Like, share, subscribe. Mwah. Later.